Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of the beginner class on the 22nd of March at the Kenn Centre. We did an arm jive, a step across, a catapult and a comb. Now, if you need a more detailed teach, links in the description below where you'll get the videos for each of those moves on their own. But this is just a run through to show you what the whole thing looks like joined together. So it looked like this. Go 7 and 8 for the arm jive. We went a left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return. Then we did the step across, underneath, switch hands for the catapult, sweep, lean to the side, spin, caught in the right for the comb, return, comb, and went back to two hands, ready to go back into the arm jive. And that's it. Hope that's helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out if your notifications are turned on, and music recommendation on the end. Finally, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.